What is happening, guys? My name is Yusuf Zad. In this video we're going to be talking about money, investing, trading, and all about saving. And today we're going to be talking about your top 12 stocks that you would be able to invest your stimulus check into a great saving, money making, crazy account that you would be able to make your money double in such a short period of time. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you find value in this video, and let's talk about money. Let's do it. So as you all know, this is a great time to invest into the stock market just because a lot of the companies that I'm going to be naming today are the ones that are mostly affected by the basically the market crash that we're going right now, and it is a great time to invest into these kind of stocks right now. And these are the stocks that I personally own and are my top priority in my portfolio, and I'm gonna go over these guys with you guys so you would be able to see what are basically the stocks that I'm investing my money into right now. And knowing that a lot of the companies right now that I'm going to be naming for you guys are basically they go into different three different tiers. And the first tier are the ones that basically I would call them high risk, are the ones that basically they were affected the most with the coronavirus, and their stock has been going down the most than anybody else. So these are the ones that basically you want to invest slightly more into. And then the second tier that we're going to be talking about are the medium risks that I think are the ones that haven't been affected much, but they still have been affected to the point that it would be a great time for you to purchase them. And your third basically tier would be the ones that are at lower risk, or the ones that basically didn't get affected much into the industry and they didn't really get affected by coronavirus. And going back to the most affected ones, the ones that have the higher risk are definitely for me the hotels, the airlines, the retails, and the restaurants. And those are the things that you can't really do right now. You cannot get out of your house, or you cannot really go outside to do them. But the ones that are basically part of the medium risk groups are the social platforms, the online retails, and the tech companies. Those are still affected, but they're not really affected to the point that it would be a great time to invest money into, but they still saw a great dip inside of them. So again, if you want to invest your money into them, it's a great time to be able to invest into those companies. And basically the ones that are at lower risk and the ones that basically they're still making a great profit as of right now are basically entertainments online. It basically your Hulu, HBO, Netflix, all those companies. And then it's going to be the grocery stores, the streaming platforms, delivery services, cleaning services, and liquor and wine stores. And I think those are basically the places that there still a lot of people are going out there and to purchase these kind of stuff. So what is the great stock between all these three different tiers to be able to purchase them? And I'm gonna go over those with you guys so you would be able to see what are my top 12 stocks that you would be able to purchase today. And going to that, I'm gonna give you 4 different stocks on every tier. So let's get into that. So my first top 4 stocks on the most affected high risk, the ones that give you the biggest amount of reward, are definitely still Apple, JetBlue, Planet Fitness, and also a lot of the other ones that like basically the Hotel Win, that one of the hotels that I actually love working for, and I've been part of that hotel for quite a little bit, and I think it's one of the best hotels to be able to actually invest into them right now, just because they're doing such an amazing job to bring people back in Vegas. And I know the minute we're gonna go back into a regular routine of people coming back to Las Vegas, as you all may know, I live in Las Vegas, it's gonna be a great time for you to invest into the market with them right now. My second top stocks from the second tier are definitely BAC, GS, COF, and JP Morgan. And I'm gonna list basically these stocks down on the description below, and I'm gonna tell you guys basically the ticker marks for all of them, but I'm gonna be posting the pictures for you so you would be able to see each of them exactly how they're affected and how you would be able to make a great money with them. I honestly don't like the videos that they talk about every single stock for so long, and it makes no sense, because I really want you guys to be able to go ahead and see these symbols in your app and do your own research and be able to actually study each one of these stocks and basically decide on your own which would be the best stock for you to actually purchase them. And I don't want you to basically go out there purchase every single one of these stocks that I'm telling you. These are just my recommendation, that I think these are would be a great option for you to purchase them right now, just because they are affected more than anybody else in this tough economy times. And so the third one that are basically the lower risk reward succeeding kind of stocks right now, that they're still fairly doing great, are definitely Amazon, Walmart, and Costco. There's a couple of other ones just like Netflix that I think they're great stocks to be able to actually purchase them right now, and I know they're gonna be going back up rapidly again, but those are the stock that they didn't get affected by the coronavirus that much, and I think it's a great time to also invest into them, because not only right now they're doing such a great job and their stocks are actually going up again and ramping up again. I know the minute we're done with this whole shenanigan that is happening, they're gonna keep going back up again, and they've been on an uptrend for such a long time, so it's easy to invest into them right now. And you don't have to really go ahead and buy the whole stocks in these companies. There's a lot of apps that they offer fractional sale, and fractional sales is basically you being able to buy even $1 out of each stock, and you don't have to spend $2,000 $3,000 into just one single stock. And I know a lot of you guys are in line to be able to purchase fractional sales through Robinhood app, but just like me, I'm still not being able to basically purchase those stocks in a fractional sale. But there's a lot of other apps that are offering fractional sales, like Cash App. I know you would be able to do fractional sales, and even if you have $10 $20 and you want to spend that money into something that you know it's going to grow over the years for you, I think it would be a great time for you to invest into these accounts, even with such a small amount, that you would be able to make such a great money out of them. A lot of the times it's very difficult to save money. I know the tough time that we're going right now, it's very difficult for a lot of the families to save money and to be able to put some money on the side. But if you can make any money on the side, do any side hustles, and you would be able to actually invest a little bit of money into the stock market or even Bitcoin right now, just because I know about a month ago Bitcoin dipped down to about $3,500, and that was a great time that I told a lot of my friends this is the time that you want to be buying Bitcoin. Of course, not everybody was able to take advantage of that time just because it was only for a couple of hours, but I think it's going to be a great time for you to also see the other route of investing into cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, just because it's a great time to invest into it. And just because I think with the whole thing that is happening with the stock market, and basically all the companies and all the money that the feds are printing right now, it would be a great time for you to invest into the stock market, because stock market, not only it's a good option for you, but again, cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, it would be something that it's going to be basically sucking all that cash that it's going to be flooded into our economy by that. And I think it's gonna double or triple within a couple of years, I think. And it's a great time again to invest into the Bitcoin. You definitely don't want to invest back into it when it peaks that 20,000 30,000, but again, it is a great time to invest into cryptocurrency, just because right now it's about 7,000 6,500, and it's been fluctuating up and down, and it's a great time to invest into it. Definitely start investing your time into Pi. Pi was one of those apps that I basically talked about a few weeks ago, and I'm gonna leave the link for you guys up there so you would be able to see it. But again, you would be able to sign up with my name, and you would be able to start earning Pi just for free, mining it on your phone without basically paying anything, without spending any money. And it's gonna be one of those predictions that I'm gonna be actually very focused on, and I think it's gonna make a lot of money for you guys if you start earning that Pi basically right now. When you sign up with my code, it's gonna give you one free Pi to start, and then you would be able to earn more Pis as you basically continue to use the app. But definitely it's a great time to invest also some money into the cryptocurrency, into Bitcoin or some of the other cryptocurrencies that you think it's gonna be great. but definitely do your own research. Make sure you read the fine prints of every little investment that you're doing. And hopefully this video was helpful for you guys and you guys find value. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like this one. Smash the like button for me and leave me a comment. Let me know what is the best situation for you guys, and do you like investing into cryptocurrency, or is this the time for you that you think it would be better for you to invest into the stock market? Again, I'm investing in both sides of the scenario just because I want to have more insurance and not to flood all my money into just one single basically investment. Hopefully I see you guys in a few days again, and have a great weekend. Happy Easter. Ciao.